Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do a beautiful and colorful bracelet using these colorful beads. Now let's see how to do this beautiful bracelet using beads. Take two beads of same color in one side other color, and bring it to the center. It looks like this. Take next bead of the same color which we have given this side and insert it into the side where we have inserted the two same color bead. So if you see in this left hand side, I have inserted this two same color beads. I'll insert this other bead and you're going to cross this bead using the other end of the thread. Pull. So it looks like this. Next, here you have two green. So you are going to take the green. So this side thread, you will take one green. So next side thread, you are going to take any other color. So I have taken blue. Same way, this side other thread, you are going to take the same color and you are going to cross this bead. It looks like this. If you see here, two blue color beads. So in this right hand side, you are going to take blue color bead. And in this left hand side, you are going to take other color. Next, in this right hand side, you are going to take the same color which you took in the left hand side. You are going to cross it. It looks like this. So this is the pattern you are going to follow for this bracelet. That is, if you see here, two white color beads. So in this right hand side, you are going to take one white color bead. Next, in this left hand side, you are going to take another color bead. So the same color which we took in the left hand side, you are going to take in the right hand side as well. You are going to cross this bead. It looks like this. You have to follow this till the required size of the bracelet you want. After doing them till the required size, the bracelet looks like this. For the last row, we have inserted the same color in this right hand side and a different color in the left hand side. Next, we are not going to insert the same color in the right hand side and cross. Instead, we are going to insert this thread where we have inserted the same color through this first bead. And you are going to pull. Make a knot. This is how the bracelet looks. Cute and colorful bracelet looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.